Man accused of sexually assaulting his 5-year-old sister taken into police custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 29-year-old man who was being sought in connection with sexually assaulting his 5-year-old sister at their Westmoreland home is now in police custody. The accused was held during a pre-dawn operation in the parish on Wednesday. It is alleged that last week the child's mother was washing her underwear when she noticed something unusual.
My 5-year-old. Water gone 3 days and me get up 5 o'clock in the morning and wash. When me look in her panty, me see slime. So me go to her, me say, Punchy, warm to your panty. He say, Sheldon touch with his finger. So me say, Sheldon, warm to Punchy. Nothing. Me call the police and say, me feel go a serve a Sisolka office. When we go down a Sisolka office, then carry a station. Her maiden gone. She have infection and he mash her up. The 2-year-old now, something wrong like he done rubbing on him or using finger. But the two of them admit in the hospital. So I don't know joke thing and no light thing. And my grandpitney are 2, my baby are 5. The police them fit come, then call them from 12 o'clock, then say shooting in a niggle. Them a deal with shooting. When them come, him brother hold him and drop asleep. In jump fence and gone. Me da Savla, ma 3 days me da hospital. 12 o'clock last night me come home. Last time me come home 12 o'clock cause then take with the other baby from with the 2-year-old one. Tomorrow now then come and go search the house and look how the house stay. Right now home me there drink. Me can't clean, me can't do nothing at all. I don't know joke thing youth. 1 or 5, 1 or 2. The 5-year-old gone, he mash up she. In viral infection. The 2-year-old, we don't know what go happen if government, what go really happen, no joke thing.
The child was subsequently taken to the hospital for examination. The police were subsequently called in to commence their probe. A search was launched for the 29-year-old man who was held early Wednesday morning. The Center for Investigation of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse is probing the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.